Hi, my name is Paula Holt and I'm Vice-Chancellor and Dean of the College of Health and Psychology and Social Care at the University of Derby. I was privileged to serve 9 years in the armed forces and I've served in the UK, in Germany and in Bosnia and Croatia over that 9-year period. It was probably the best 9 years of my life. I learned so much about myself, about the world, about the armed forces and about mental health. My role primarily was looking after the mental health needs of service personnel and their families, and I did that obviously back at their base but also on operational duties when I went out to Bosnia. I think that an armed forces career is amazing and I would encourage anybody who is interested in it to pursue that interest further. It is just an amazing way to spend some of your career. My interest in veterans, it continues, of course, and in the armed forces, and that has been cemented by our commitment as a university to the Armed Forces Covenant and our engagement in the Employee Recognition Scheme. So we're very keen to support armed forces personnel within our region, but also veterans who have left the armed forces, supporting them to resettle. Some of them we're supporting in terms of starting new careers, because many people leave the armed forces when they're quite young, and that I also have strong interest in the charitable side of supporting veterans as well, particularly through the arts. So really delighted once again to be celebrating Armed Forces Day. Continue to be proud to be a veteran and continue to be proud that our university supports veterans and the armed forces within our region so very well.